Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So as you all know that I have started a course on computer, but I am seeing that you all peoples are not responding very much because you are thinking that this course is very basic. But one thing you should know users that basics should be very important, because if your basic is not strong, then you will unable to do anything. You have to know the basics of computer, and it's not that I am not covering each and everything in this course. I'm covering many things of this course, so that's why I have made this video. I made this video so that you can understand what I am going to teach in the course. I've made this video and I will be going to show you the topics which I am going to cover. Let's see what are the topics which I am going to cover in the video, because you all peoples are very much thinking about that how to do all these things, that how you will be able to understand regarding computers, what are the things which you should know regarding computers. But you people are thinking that this video is not very much good, but I assures you that after completing this course, you'll be able to understand everything. Now see what are the topics to be covered. I will cover the basics, not only the basics but the advanced. In basics, I will what I will cover. I'll cover Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Tally, and Adobe Photoshop. Now you will thinking that Word, Excel, PowerPoint I know. No, I am not teaching like that. I am teaching as the corporate requires. Like, you will, after completing this course, you will be able to make your own resume. Many of you doesn't know how to make resume. Then Excel. In Excel, you can be able to understand what are the things that you should know while you are required for making a monthly expense and expenditure chart. Then you will be able to understand the how to make charts, how to make everything. Then in PowerPoint, I will be making a presentation for a big company, how to make a presentation for a corporate. Then in Tally, you will be understanding what are the things in Tally which are required. Then I will be helping you in making companies. Then I will making you in helping how to make company in Tally, what are the entries in Tally, what is the direct debit and expenses. Then in Adobe Photoshop, I will be explaining you about the how to create a good picture, what are the editing. I will be explaining you about passport and stamp size photos. Then I will be explaining you about the wedding photos and everything. After that, I will be explaining you about file system in Windows, how the file system work, what are the root directories of Windows, what are the things which you should know regarding the Windows operating system, the files and the folders, how to make folders, what are the things regarding folder, how to hide folder, how to use folders. Then after that, I will be teaching you about command prompt. It's very important for you all, as command line interface is very important for all the peoples. You should know command line interface, how to work with the help of command line interface and everything. So this much is the basics. Then after that, in the advance will come. Here you will be getting to know about hardware system and the functioning of an internal system of a hardware, like the RAM. How many types of RAMs are available? What are the uses of RAM? What is ROM? How the hard disks are made? What are motherboards? What is CPU? What is the network interface card, etc., etc. Regarding the hardware knowledge, you should know about hardwares of the computer, how to use, how to connect all the hardwares. I will be explaining about all these things, but you are not responding me. And the advanced computing, I will be explaining about programming, which is very important in this age of era of computer. You should know what is C language, how to make programs in C language, then C++ language, Java, Python, assembly language programming. I will teach you each and everything. Then you will be explaining about markup language. Here we will be understanding how to make web pages with the help of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And after that, I will be teaching about networking concept like LAN, local area network, then WAN, wide area network, metropolitan area network, personal area network, virtual local area network, VPN, virtual private network, wireless local area network. How to make all this, how to connect all this, what are IPs, what are the internet protocols which is required for making all these networks. I will be explaining each and everything regarding networking. So please like my channel, subscribe and like channel. channel, like me this video, share it with your friends and family. I will be coming you with a big course. You will be gaining very much knowledge regarding my videos. So in this video, this much. Thank you. We'll be meeting you in the next videos. Bye bye.